Hello and welcome to another update video about DOT. We want to start on the long-term chart for DOT just to give you all a good idea of where we are actually going. At the moment, I'm still considering that a B wave could have bottomed, so that means a substantial low, could have bottomed here on the daily chart on the 5th of August at around $3.60. Based on that, we could now have started a C wave rally to the upside, which would be a 5-wave pattern. And within that C wave, we however would still be within circle 1, so the first wave of that C wave within a wave 2 corrective rally. Okay, so the idea is A, B, C into this region between 1230 and 2640, and then possibly new lows from there. That's at least a very likely scenario. A more bullish scenario allows for, again, a C wave rally, but it doesn't make a great difference at the moment. At the moment, I'm just watching for signals and evidence that a low has formed on the 5th of August. I can tell you evidence is thin. The DOT chart has performed not really strongly in the last few days. Movements to the upside have been weak, and we haven't really seen much movement. I mean, if you compare that to some other, let's say some other coins that we're tracking that are looking a little bit more bullish, like for example Sui, like Rune, even Dogwith, Hat, or Ondo, the performance of the DOT chart since the September low specifically has been quite disappointing, quite weak. So therefore, the yellow scenario, I mean, I've just highlighted how one more low would look like. So we can make a case for one more low easily, as long as, and I always say that, we haven't got a 5-wave move up. So this is how 5 waves would look like, and I've got it on the smaller time frame chart as well, but it would be wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. Okay, so this is what I need to see in order to confirm that a lasting low has been established. I mean, lasting low, let's call it a substantial low. Now, on the smaller time frame, it shows what that means. It's highlighted here in white. This is the 5-wave move that I would need to see. And we normally say that in this 5-wave move, first of all, within this, the third wave should reach the 138% extension of the initial 1-2 pattern, and that is the $5.90 level or higher. And then the 5th wave should get to the 161.8 extension. Here we talk about $6.38. So we are far away from that, obviously. We're currently hovering around $4.50, and the price has very clearly formed a 3-wave move up only, 3 waves into the late September high. And now we could start the 3rd wave down. I mean, that is just the risk. For me, at the moment, the pattern isn't very clear because it's all corrective. So it will get clearer should the price get to 590, because then I can add the next support region for wave 4, and we can watch if the market has the capability to form a 5th wave. If we get 5 waves up, then I would say, okay, a lasting low has been established, a more or less lasting low, and I will add a support area in wave 2. Okay, so this would be the support zone for a corrective pullback in circle 2, before we then go higher in circle 3 and wave 4, 5, and so on. Yeah, this is what I just showed you on the longer time frame chart. The structure overall here, you can see it resembles a sideways structure. I won't rule out that we are forming some kind of a triangle here, because patterns have been corrective throughout, especially evident in this move to the upside from the September low. So the only way how I could really see the white count come together is as a diagonal pattern, not as an impulse, which doesn't make this pattern really strong. I mean, there are a few impulses currently around in altcoins. Sui is one, Rune is one, but again, also here, if support breaks, that's it. It's pattern is likely going to break. For now, DOT isn't very clear, and the support area is still between 385 and 422. So I would still keep this, or keep a focus on this support zone, because it is still the relevant one, just in case, for example, wave 2 is still unfolding. That is possible. It would look a bit strange, but it could be wave 1 and then like A wave. Okay, A, B, C, and A. This is a B wave. It would actually make sense. And then we come down in wave C and could try again. That's why this support area is still relevant. It's defined between 385 and 422. So yeah, that's the update about DOT. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.